Bar Statistics and Bar Volume Profile in mzFootprint Indicator. The Bar Statistics section in the mzFootprint indicator provides essential market data for each bar, helping traders analyze volume distribution, delta imbalances, and trade activity. This feature allows for a deeper understanding of market dynamics at a glance. Volume: the total number of contracts traded within the bar. Delta: the difference between buy volume and sell volume, indicating the net buying or selling pressure. Absolute delta average, calculated as sum of all absolute deltas for each price level of the bar divided by number of levels. Min-max delta: the lowest and highest delta values reached within the bar. Delta percent: bar delta divided by bar volume. COT: commitment of traders. Helps confirm the strength of trend continuation or reversal points. There are two COTs, COT high and COT low. COT high is displayed on the right side of the bar. COT low is displayed on the left side. Let's consider COT on COT high example. COT high is cumulative bid-ask delta starting from the moment when the price makes new high or repeats previous one. COT helps to see buy-sell balance after new price level has been reached. We can consider new high as a market test, whereas COT will be a reaction for it. If new, higher, price is rejected by the market, we will see negative COT high with price falling, indicating market correction or reversal. If the price stays at highs and COT high is negative and is growing by modulo, then this means strong support by buy limit orders. All selling activity is absorbed by buyers. Detecting a sell reversal with COT and range bars. Bar has positive delta but closes at the low. The value of COT high is negative and has a significant value relative to the delta of the bar. Ratio numbers. See next videos or user guide for explanation, please. Values divider. Displayed values will be divided by this divider. Bar volume profile. Point of control, POC. The price level with the highest traded volume within the bar. Indicates where the most contracts changed hands, often acting as an important support or resistance level. Value area. The range of price levels that contain a significant portion of the total bar volume. Helps identify high activity zones where price consolidation or future support, resistance might form. Session and daily volume profiles. Profile mode, session or daily. POC, show developing point of control of volume profile. VA, show develop value area of volume profile to see how volume concentration shifts over time. Helps in spotting high liquidity zones that may act as support or resistance. Suggested settings. For reversal trading, enable POC and value area, as they often act as turning points. For breakout trading, track the developing POC to see volume shifts before a breakout. Learning materials and support. If you want to dive deeper, check out the tutorials playlists on our YouTube channel and indicator guides. You can also join our community forum or contact our support team for personalized assistance. See you in the next videos.